Welcome back to Leo Wants to Know, series of Slow and Steady English. Today Leo visits a giant shopping mall for the very first time. He will learn exciting new English words like directory, escalator, kiosk and food court. Can Leo survive the moving stairs and resist the free samples? Before we begin, like the video, subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments, what is your favourite shop in a mall? Now, let's go shopping with Leo.
Mom! Mom! This is the biggest building I ever saw in my life!
This is the shopping mall, Leo.
A shopping mall? It is like 100 shops in one building?
Yes, exactly that. Many shops all inside one big building.
Who had this idea? It is a brilliant idea.
It is, isn't it?
Mom, it is so bright inside, and it smells nice.
Yes, malls are always bright and warm.
There are so many floors. How do people know where to go?
Good question. Look over there. That big board. What do you think it is?
It has a map and a list of shops and numbers.
That is called the directory or the mall map.
Direct-to-re. What does it mean?
A directory is a list that tells you where everything is. This one shows every shop, every restaurant, every service, and which floor it is on.
Floor 1, floor 2, floor 3? Mom, there are 3 floors.
Yes, and a basement level too. That is floor 0 or lower ground.
Lower ground means underground?
Yes, below the main floor.
Mom, there is a small arrow here, and it says, "You are here."
Yes, that shows our exact position on the map. So we know where we are right now.
Oh, like on Google Maps on your phone, the little blue dot.
Exactly like that, but on paper.
So we are here, and the toy shop is there, floor 2.
We are not going to the toy shop today, Leo.
I am just checking for information purposes. Mom, moving stairs! I love moving stairs!
Those are called escalators.
Escalators. Why are there 2 of them side by side?
One goes up, one goes down. Look at the arrows on the signs above them.
Oh, yes, that one has an arrow pointing up. That is the up escalator. And that one has an arrow pointing down. That is the down escalator.
Correct. You must use the right one.
What happens if you use the wrong one?
You go the wrong way and everyone gets annoyed.
Mom, there is a sign next to the escalator. It has a picture of a pram and a cross.
Good spotting. That means no prams on the escalator. Prams must use the lift.
What is a pram?
A pram is a baby's pushchair. The big ones with 4 wheels.
Oh, because it might fall on the escalator?
Yes, it is dangerous, so they use the lift instead.
And that sign, a dog with a cross?
No dogs allowed inside the mall.
But what if the dog wants to shop?
Dogs don't shop, Leo.
Max would love it here. All these smells.
Max would cause chaos here.
Mom, what is this rubber thing I am holding?
That is the handrail. You hold it for balance on the escalator.
It is moving too, at the same speed as the stairs.
Yes, it is designed that way so you don't fall.
I did it! Mom, all these shops have big glass fronts. I can see everything inside.
Yes, those glass fronts are called shop fronts or display windows.
Why do shops have big windows?
To show people what they sell. It attracts customers. If you see something nice in the window, you want to go inside.
Oh, I see what you mean. Those trainers look very nice.
Leo, we are not here for trainers.
I know. I am just attracting.
Come on.
Mom, that sign says 50% off. What does that mean?
50% off means the price is reduced by half. So if something costs $20, today it costs only $10.
Half price? That is amazing!
Yes, shops do this during a sale.
What is a sale?
A sale is when a shop reduces its prices to attract more customers.
Mom, it also says limited time only. What does limited time mean?
Limited time means it will not last long. The sale ends soon.
So we have to hurry?
No, Leo, we don't need anything from this shop.
But the limited time? Mom, what is that little room in the middle? It is not a proper shop. It is just a small desk with a roof.
Leo, that is called a kiosk.
Kiosk. What does it sell?
Kiosks sell small things. Phone cases, sunglasses, jewelry, snacks. Small items that don't need a big shop.
It is like a mini shop.
Yes, a mini shop. Very good.
That one is giving out small pieces of food. People are eating them. What is that?
Those are free samples. The shop gives you a tiny piece of food to try. If you like it, you buy it.
Free food?
A very small piece. Yes.
Hello? Can I have a sample, please?
Of course. This is our new chocolate biscuit. Try one.
That is very good. Mom, can we buy some?
It worked perfectly on him. Maybe later.
She always says maybe later. It usually means no.
Good luck.
Mom, a fountain inside a building. Is that allowed?
Many malls have a fountain in the center. This area is called the atrium.
Atrium. What is an atrium?
An atrium is a large open space inside a building. It usually goes all the way up to the roof. You can see all the floors from here.
Whoa! I can see floor 1, floor 2, floor 3, and the roof. It is like being outside but inside.
Yes, atriums make buildings feel open and bright.
Mom, there are coins at the bottom of the fountain.
Yes, people throw coins and make a wish.
Really? Does it work?
It is just for fun. A tradition.
I want to try. I have 10 pence.
Here, make a wish, but don't tell me what it is.
Done.
What did you wish for?
Mom, I can't tell you. It won't come true.
Fair enough.
Trainers, size 2, blue ones. Mom, that sign on the shop door. It says fitting room. What is a fitting room?
A fitting room is a small private room inside a clothes shop. You go inside and try on clothes before you buy them.
Why can't you just try them in the shop?
Because it is private, you take off your clothes to try new ones.
Oh, so nobody sees you?
Exactly. You have your own little room with a mirror.
That sign says max 6 items. What does that mean?
It means you can only take 6 items of clothing into the fitting room at one time.
What if you have 7?
You leave one outside and come back for it.
That is a strict rule.
It helps the shop keep everything organized.
Mom, that machine in the wall. A person just put a card in and money came out. Money just came out of the wall.
That is an ATM.
What is an ATM?
ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. It is a machine that gives you cash from your bank account.
So your money is inside the wall.
Not exactly. Your money is in the bank. The ATM connects to your bank and gives you the cash.
What is that number the lady was typing?
That is called a PIN. It stands for Personal Identification Number. It is a secret number, usually 4 digits.
Like a password?
Yes, like a password for your bank card. Never share your PIN with anyone.
Not even you.
Not even me. When you are older and have your own card, it is your secret number.
I understand. A secret number. I am good at keeping secrets.
I know you are.
Mom, that sign says out of order. What does that mean?
Out of order means the machine is not working. It is broken.
So no money comes out?
Correct.
Poor machine. It needs a tap doctor.
Yes, Leo, it needs a tap doctor.
Mom! Food court! What is a food court?
A food court is an area in the mall with many different food stalls and restaurants, all in one big open space.
How many 10 restaurants in one place? Pizza, burgers, sushi, noodles, chicken. Mommy, how do people choose?
That is the hard part.
I choose pizza. Always pizza.
Of course you do.
Mom, that sign near the food area. It says, Allergy Information available. What does allergy mean?
An allergy is when your body reacts badly to a certain food, like nuts or milk or wheat. Some people cannot eat certain foods because it makes them very sick.
That is sad. Some people can't eat pizza?
Some people can't eat the bread part or the cheese part. Yes,
No pizza and no cheese? That is a very hard life.
the sign means the cafe can tell you exactly what is in every food. So people with allergies stay safe.
Oh, that is very kind. I like this mall. Mom, that door says fire exit. I know exit means door to go out, but why fire?
A fire exit is a special door used in an emergency. If there is a fire in the building, everyone must leave quickly. The fire exits are always unlocked and they lead straight outside.
Is there a fire now?
No, no fire. Don't worry, the doors are always there, just in case.
Oh, just in case. Okay.
If you ever hear a loud alarm in a building, that is the fire alarm. It means leave immediately through the nearest fire exit.
And walk fast but don't run?
Well, walk quickly. Stay calm. Follow the signs.
Mom, that sign above the door. A little green man running.
Yes, that is the emergency exit sign. The green running man always shows you where the nearest exit is.
He runs very fast for a sign.
He does.
Mom, I love the mall. Can we come back?
Yes, when we need to shop.
Or just to look?
Shopping malls are for shopping, Leo.
And for free samples?
Yes, and for free samples,
And for fountain wishes?
and for fountain wishes.
Good. Mom, do you think my wish will come true?
What was your wish?
I told you, I can't say. But if you see any blue trainers in size 2, just notice them. That is all.
Come on, Leo, let's go home.
Mom, can we take the escalator down, not the lift?
Yes,
Up one or down one?
down. We are going home.
This one. The arrow points down. I am very good at signs now.
You are very good at signs, Leo.
Mom, I think I want to work in a mall when I grow up.
Really? Doing what?
Giving out free samples.